Let's draw a simple circle scenery. For this purpose, we're going to draw a straight line in the middle from left to the right, and putting some greeneries here. You can see I'm doing it by the color pencil, something like the zigzag appearance. Okay, filling it the middle spaces. Okay, drawing few plants pointy, which is very familiar with the mountain climates. Some parts maybe we're going to make some variations in ups and downs, so make some plants higher and some plants lower. All right, so greenery is complete. Let's draw some mountains. So the hills going upwards, and this is downwards directions. Separation points, this is going to be separations for the lights and shadow. So you can see easily the shadow is on the right side and left side is just more brighter, the shiny side. Okay, so few lines here. Also another division points for the small hills, few outlines on the back side, and you can see some variations of the shadow in those portions too. Another one here. Okay, and the mountain lines goes on, because when mountains you see in a single place, there are lots of mountains there, so it's just like a group of mountains all together, so many hills. All right, okay, so reflections on the water, the light green. Okay, larger reflections for the larger trees here. Ups and downs of the reflections. The water is blue. In some spaces you can see lighter color, in some spaces you can see more darker color. So variations in thickness, indeed it is here. Okay, so green color for the water body. Awesome. The sky is blue on the top portions. Some birds flying, which is very colorful, red color. So together they fly in a group or flocking together. These are the birds, and a boat you can see here in the lake. Reflections, sail. Awesome. Symbolic appearance of a boatman having a device to drive the boat forward. Also adding another layers of green in the reflection point. All right, so very simple basic scenery. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned and do practice at home. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.